Hey friends, welcome back to Tech with Ryder. Today we will create a sign-up API for shop. With a shop, there are some basic information like email, name, display name, and the last one is password. We can use email or name to log into a system. Open the working flow. You can see here, first of all, we need to create a root, then a controller. Controller will call to the service, and the service will call to model audio to get the data, then respond to controller. Okay. First of all, create a root for sign-up API. Import Express. API version require. I will create a Alt10 folder here. In the future, we will create more root for shop, for product, for news, for example. So we will create more folder here. Node.js Alt10. Okay. We should import. Import default root. We have a API put sign up. Okay, and here we will call to the controller. So I will create a controller, call our controller dot .js. In controller, we will create a class, our controller sign up. Request, respond, and next function. Request, respond, next function. Okay, so I will get email, name, and display name, and the password from request body. Okay, make a little bit validate here. Email or name or not display name or not password. We will respond an error. Started code 500. Okay, and we will send a listen. That's the message. Email, display name, and password are required. Return. And the next one, we will validate the email or name exist in our system or not. So email name or name, because we use email or name to log into our system. So if email or name exists, we will make an error. Oh, first of all, I need to create a model. So here, show MongoDB. Okay. So I will have show model here. Constant document name shop. We have collection name. Okay, so we have name, email, display name is a string. Display name not need to unique. Oh, we need to require display name and the password. That string require to unique. No need. Oh, password. Okay. And collection is collection name and timestamp true. Okay, so here is document name. Okay, so now need to declare an interface here. Interface I shop model. We have name, string, email, string, display name, and the password. Express. Oh, Mongo. Okay, it's okay. It's a model generic type shop model. Okay. Export default. Nice. Now back to here and we will use shop model to check. We will check in database shop model with name and email exist or not. Shop model file one or is an array. So we have email or name. Okay. if exit, we will return an error. Okay. This is a promise function, so async await. Okay, so email or name exit. Okay, then if we pass the validate, now come to create a account for shop. Child cat. New shop. We will create a service to create a shop account. Service shop service yet. Okay, in here we have a class shop service sign up async function. We have email name, display name, and the password. This is a iShop model. Need to export this one. iShop model. Okay, so now we will create a shop model. Create email name, display name. We have password. We need to hash the password. Okay, so we need to install bcrypt npm install bcrypt and install Thai bcrypt for that. Okay, now we have a sort will be bcrypt import bcrypt from bcrypt. Okay, now bcrypt we have a gen sort 10 routes has password. We need this is a promise function, so await here, await bcrypt dot hash. We have password and sort. Why we need to generate a sort here? To make sure that if there are two different users have the same password, the hash password will be different. Does it make sense? Okay, so here we okay and return this one. Export default soap service and come back to controller and soap service, create sign up, new shop service. We have email name, display name, and password. Okay. If we sign up success, we will return status 201. Data will be new shop. Okay, we have a message. Create a shop successfully. Data will be shop. Okay, in this case we deal with an error. We return an error. Okay. Now let's call the API and check how it works. Oh, before we run the server, we need to include the root in app.ts file. This one is not necessary. And here we have app.u root. Okay. Okay, it's nice. Now run the server. Okay, let's check it. Import default root require, because in here we require our folder, so we need to module export. Okay. Okay, now the server is running at port 3000. Now let's create an API on Postman and call it 3000 API v1 and sign up. In body route JSON we have name Ryder, for example, Ryder 1. We have email, display name, and password. Okay. Now let's call the API with missing some information. It will occur an error, right? Okay, scan. Oh. Oh, we need to put some middleware here. That's the, let me think. App.u Express.js, and we need to import middleware URL and code extend to let's try it again. Yeah, you can see here it will jump to here, right? Because we are missing password. Now let put the password in the request param and check it again. Create a shop successful, but data new shop. Yeah, because we need to wait to get the output of this function. Check it again. Oh, of course, we thus create a shop account with this information. So need to change it to Ryder 2. Check it. Okay, nice. The password will be hashed. Now let's open the MongoDB and check the data. You can see here we just create two documents. Oh, but I don't see the timestamp here. Oh, maybe in model timestamps. Okay. Let's run the API again. 3 and 3. You can see here we just create a new document with timestamp. By the way, we should to create a base model. I want to create an interface base model. Create that at is the date, and we have updated at extend. First of all, you can see in here, if I call new shop dot created at, we don't have a recommend here, right? We only have name, email. So yeah, so that is the reason why I want to create a base model. That's the interface for TypeScript, and in a submodel I will extend. Need to export shape, extend base model. Okay, back to the controller, and you can see here now we can create the at and update the at. The TypeScript compiler will recommend the attribute for us, right? There are some wrong here. Oh yeah, because we don't need to put created at and updated at in the request param. So should to change this one is question mark here means we don't require created at or updated at. We thus create a sign up API for shop, and in the next video we will continue with login and logout APIs. So see you in the next video.